definitions of Database Management System, which is DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. These words can be separated into database and management system. Database is a collection of data, and management system is a set of programs to store and retrieve those data. DBMS is a collection of interrelated data and set of programs to store and access those data in an easy and effective manner. DBMS, also known as a software system that permits users to access authorized data only. The purpose of DBMS is to provide controlled access to the database. Figure 1 shows the locations of DBMS, which is DBMS standing between the user's programs and the physical database. The users will send requests for data to DBMS, which validates and authorizes access to database in accordance with the user's level authority. If the user requests data that he or she is not authorized to access, the request will deny.
DBMS is a control environment to assist or prevent user access to the system to efficiently manage the data resource. Objective of DBMS: program development, backup and recovery, database usage reporting, and database access. Data definition language. Programming language used to define the physical database to the DBMS include the names and relationship of all data elements, record, and file that constitute the database. 3 levels of DDL: internal view, conceptual view, and user view. Data manipulation language. DML is a language which enables users to access and manipulate data. Objective is to provide efficient human interaction with the system. 2 types of DML: procedural, the user specifies what data is needed and how to get it. Non-procedural, the user only specifies what data is needed. Query language, a portion of DML involving information retrieval only.
Database Management System or DBMS operation. Firstly, a user program sends a request which is called for data to the DBMS. The call is written in a special data manipulation language. After that, DBMS analyzes the request by matching the call data elements against the user view and the conceptual view. If the data request matches, it is authorized and processing proceeds to the next step. If it does not match the views, access is denied. Next, DBMS determines the data structure parameters. The data structure parameters describe the organization and access method for retrieving the requested data. After that, the operating system interacts with the storage device to retrieve the data from the physical database. The next process is the operating system then stores the data in a main memory buffer area managed by the DBMS. Then, DBMS transfers the data to the user's work location in main memory. At this point, the user's program is free to access and manipulate the data. Lastly, when the processing is complete, steps 4, 5, and 6 are reversed to restore the processed data to the database.
Users of DBMS: database administrator, database designer, application programmers, and end users. Advantage of DBMS: first, controlling data redundancy. Data is recorded in only one place in the database and it is not duplicated. Second, data consistency. The data item appears only once and the updated value is immediately available to all users. Third, backup and recovery procedures automatically create the backup data and restore data if required. Disadvantage of DBMS: first, cost of hardware and software. Processing with high speed of data processing and memory or large size is required. Second, cost of data conversion, very difficult and costly method to convert data or data file into database. And last, cost of staff training, a lot of amount for the training of staff to run the DBMS.